Okay, it's a Sunday. Sunday means Sunday Fun Day. And it's a football weekend. It's still hot here in Charleston, but we want to have something really good that makes us think of fall. That always involves beef and lots of it. So, what I was thinking about doing was something that I had several years ago when I was in London at the St. John restaurant. It is basically beef bone marrow ribs. And I know before you say anything, trust me, it's the best thing you will ever put in your mouth, and they are the easiest things in the world. Okay. So we have a great butcher here, New York Butcher Shop, right up here on Coleman Boulevard. Went up there to see my friend Tyler, and he had some beef marrow bones, long bones. So these bones are going to be this long, much too long to want to cook. He was gracious enough to cut them up for me. And now we have these beautiful creatures right here. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. Cooking these things is the acme of simplicity. All you want to do is roast them at 450 degrees. So you put the big end down. Don't even need to grease the pan because there's enough grease and fat coming off these things. Like that. See, my oven's trying to make its way up to 450. Ta-da! Prep is done. So Fergus, the chef who created this back in 1994, again, he wanted to do the ultimate in a very humble farm to table, and using everything, as we would say on the pig, from the rooter to the tutor. Well, in this case, he just dresses it with a simple parsley salad. So I've got some flat leaf parsley here. I just want to make up just a simple salad with retardants that's going to cut the extreme fattiness of those marrow bones. All I'm going to do with this is I'm going to dress this up. I'm going to keep this fresh to use it later. A little bit of olive oil, some capers, some sea salt, and I think that's pretty much it. I just want it tart. Oh, fresh lemon juice. I've got some fresh lemons. So we're good to go. Okay, so I'm pouring the lemon juice mixed with my marinated or macerated basil olive oil on top of the parsley and shallots and capers. So good. I mean, it just smells so fresh. Off the little grill, we've got our toast points. Have already been grilled. They're ready for going. Guess what we have now? The piece de resistance. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Just the bubbling. I mean, we've got wonderful fat that's rendered out of the bottom of these. The bones are done. Oh my gosh, this is heaven right here. This is pure, unadulterated heaven. Cannot wait. We're gonna give it about 30 seconds to cool off. We're plating it up, and we're gonna have ourselves a fine time.